Hello everyone and welcome to Marian's Opening Bell. My name is John, I'm the Membership Director at the Foundation for the Study of Cycles, and it is my pleasure to be your host for today. We are live from Bucharest, Romania and broadcast worldwide every Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Every attendee will be muted in this webinar, like usual, and for any questions that you might have, please email me at i.guta@cycles.cc. Now let's start with the disclaimer. If you want to read it yourself, you can find it in the meeting info tab. Futures, options, and Forex are leveraged instruments and you can lose all your money. The content in this webcast is for educational and research purposes only. The Foundation for the Study of Cycles is not an investment advisor and is not trying to sell you any securities. You, as a viewer, are responsible for your own trading, both the gains and the losses. There is a very high degree of risk involved in trading, and past results are not indicative of future returns. The Foundation for the Study of Cycles and all individuals affiliated with us inside and outside this webcast assume zero responsibilities for any individual viewer's trading and investment results. The cycles and planetary indicators and all other features in this webcast are for educational and research purposes only and should never be construed as investment advice on any one particular asset to any one particular person at any one particular time. Any personal use of our timing and trading observations is entirely at your own sole and personal financial risk, and it is your own sole and personal financial responsibility to evaluate the accuracy, completeness, and usefulness of the information provided. And now, knowing that, I am presenting you the Foundation Executive Vice President and Head of Research, Marian Guza. Hi, Marian.
Hello, everyone. Hey, John. Okay, let's start. Sorry for the error we have created in the previous meeting. Anyway, let's just start. Currently, we have recently closed the soybean trades. In soybeans, we have hit our stop level. We have 11 assets on the watch list, on the future files, and on the Forex we still have 4 open trades and 6 on the watch list. Let's start presenting. First asset, soybeans. Currently, I have entered in a long position on June 5 and I have exited yesterday. Again, it have hit my stop level. This trade have gained 0.22%. I was up around 2%. It's looking like I didn't exit at the right time. The price recently have declined a lot, and I just took the trade out. The paradigm signal is presenting an important icicle. It's presenting like it can decline until this low point on June 26. Okay, so currently I'm just staying away and navigating, try to see try to watch the market and be sure everything is going in the right direction. If we will change the signal to the secondary signal, it's looking like it can decline a lot more. So I'm just staying away for the moment. Anyway, currently NTR no trade recorded. Let's start presenting the watch list. S&P 500 currently is presenting a decline period. We are seeing the low point on June 26 and another low point on July 13. Okay, so currently we are seeing a decline point on the primary signal. T-bonds. T-bonds is presenting a positive movement with the high spike on July 14, August 4, and September 1st. Okay, we are seeing 3 different tops, basically. Currently, it's still presenting a positive movement. Let's continue with the next asset. Gold. We have seen an important spike in gold on June 6, then a decline period. The lowest point in gold is July 17. Currently, I'm NTR in this asset, but I'm searching for a good entry point for a long position. I'm preparing for a long position. Okay. Again, the paradigm signal is still presenting a decline period with the lowest point around July 17. Then a positive movement. Silver. Basically, it's identical. Gold is still presenting a decline period. We are seeing the lowest point on July 17. Currently, it's presenting a positive movement for a couple of days, then another decline. as we see in the recent period. So I'm just staying away. I'm preparing myself for a long position in silver and gold. Let's continue with the next asset, crude oil. Crude oil, we are seeing in crude oil an important icicle on June 23. That will be today. Then basically a positive, slowly positive movement until this high spike on July 25. Then another decline. So I'm searching crude oil as well to enter in a long position. I didn't enter yet. Next asset, gasoline. We are seeing the same identical low point on June 23, then a positive movement. We are seeing two important spikes on July 12 and on July 31. So the same like gasoline, the same like crude oil. I'm searching for a good entry point to enter in a long trade. Let's continue. Next asset, corn. Currently, it's looking like this signal have worked perfectly for a really long period of time. It has catch perfectly this top on June 7, then the decline period happened. We are seeing the lowest point on July 7, then a positive movement. So currently I'm NTR in this asset, but again, I'm preparing for a long position. The long position probably will start, the bottom of this decline period will probably start around July 7. We are seeing a low point again on June 26 and June 30. Basically a bottoming structure period. Again, this signal have worked really nice for a really long period. Let's continue with the primary signal is presenting an important spike. It happens the important spike on June 21, a decline period until this is important. We have a low point on June 26 and another one on July 7. Then a positive movement with the high spike on August 2nd and another one on July 19. Then another decline period. So currently I'm NTR in this asset, but it's looking like it can decline this next couple of days. Let's continue. Coffee. And like it was presenting, coffee, it has started declining more. We are seeing the low point on July 11. Okay, the signal is still presenting a decline. At this point, probably I will enter in a long position, and it's looking like it should go for a longer period of time. We are seeing the high point on August 31. So from July 11 is presenting a bottoming period, then a positive movement ending, topping around August 31. This signal again have worked really nice for a really long period. Okay. Let's continue with the next asset, cotton. Again, we are seeing the decline period. Cotton again have worked great on the primary signal, and we are seeing a low point on July 3. Then a positive movement after that. Basically, currently, the paradigm signal is presenting a bottoming period with the lowest point on July 3, then a positive movement after that with the high point on July 26, and we are seeing another one on August 2nd, and before the decline, August 10. Then the decline period happened. So currently, I'm searching for a long position in cotton. I didn't enter yet. I'm waiting for this bottom to finish. Okay, it's looking like this can decline more. Let's continue with the Forex file. First asset, Euro CHF. Currently, I'm in the short position starting on May 16. This trade is gaining 0.74%. Cycle 1 and 3 are presenting a decline period, as you see in here, with the cycle oscillator, the orange line, way above the black line. This is presenting the price in the cycle going in the same direction. Okay, so this is still presenting a decline with the low point on July 7 on both of the cycles. On the paradigm signal, we still see a decline period with this low point around, let's see, July 7. So we are seeing a similar low point, then a positive movement, then another decline. Okay, so currently I'm just maintaining my share position, and let's see what will happen this next couple of days. Let's continue with the next asset, Euro JPY. Currently I'm in a share position starting on May 25. This trade is gaining 0.93%. Cycle 1, 3, and 4 are presenting a decline period. We are seeing the bottom starting from July 4th and ending in July 19th, the cycle's bottom. We are seeing the cycle 1 cycle oscillator, the orange line way above the black line. This is presenting the cycle as being the correct one. Let's continue with the paradigm signal. The paradigm signal is still presenting one more decline. We are seeing a low point on June 26. Sorry for this. A low point on June 26. Another one on July 10. And another one on July 17. Then the positive movement starts to happen. Okay? So currently I'm maintaining my short position. Let's continue with the next asset, Euro USD. I have entered in the short position on June 8, currently gaining 0.66%. Cycle 1, 3, and 4 are presenting a decline period. The cycle oscillator, the orange line is above the black line in all 3 cycles. We are seeing actually cycle 4 in the decline period too. Currently have go above the black line too. So we are seeing a bottoming period. Starting from July 4th and ending on July 10. So this is still presenting a decline period. We are seeing a low point on July 3 on the paradigm signal and another one on July 17. So currently I'm in a short position in this asset and I'm maintaining this short position. Let's continue with the next asset in the last trade. USD CHF. Currently I'm in a long position starting on June 8th. This trade is gaining 0.43%. This is important to present. This cycle 1, have worked really nice for a really long period of time. Currently, the cycle is presenting a decline period. I'm in a long position. Okay. The other cycles I'm following, cycle 3 and 4, are presenting a bottoming structure, then a positive movement, ending from July 17 and July 19, starting in July 17, ending in July 19, the topping. Okay, so it's presenting a positive movement until July 19, basically. The cycle 1 and cycle 2 are really short periods. The paradigm signal is still presenting a positive movement. We are seeing an important spike on June 26, a short-term decline, then another positive movement topping around July 17. So currently, I'm in a long position in this asset and I'm maintaining my long position. I am paying attention to the market to be sure this decline will not happen like it's presenting on cycle 1 and cycle 2. Okay, so I'm creating my stop percentages. Let's start presenting the watch list. First asset in the watch list is AUD JPY. The paradigm signal is presenting currently a decline period. We are seeing the lowest point on June 26. We have seen the high point, an important spike, and it's looking like it has hit it really close on June 14. Then the decline period starts to happen. Okay, we are seeing the low point again on June 26. Basically a bottoming structure until around this low point on July 6. Then a positive movement after that. Currently I'm NTR, but this is presenting like it can decline. It's presenting a negative condition, this paradigm signal. Let's continue in the next asset, Euro AUD. Currently, I'm NTR in Euro AUD, no trade recorded. We are seeing a low point on June 21, a positive movement until this high spike on June 29, then another decline period. I'm interested to enter in a short position at this top on June 29 or around that top. Okay, and we are seeing a low point on July 26. Let's continue with the next asset, Euro CAD. Similar signal in Euro AUD and Euro CAD. We are seeing a topping period, currently a positive movement until this June 30, then another decline. We are seeing the lowest point on July 26. I'm interested to enter in a short position in this asset, but later this month. Let's see. Let's review the next asset. JBP CHF. The Verdine signal is presenting basically a bottoming structure. We have seen a low point on June 30, a positive movement after that is looking like it didn't go as high as we were expecting, then another decline. The low point is presenting here on July 6, then a high spike on July 11 to July 19. So again, we have to pay attention to that. Currently, I'm searching to enter in a long position in this asset. I didn't enter yet. Let's continue. JBP JPY. The Verdine signal is presenting a decline period with the bottom structure around June 26, June 29. Then a positive movement after. Currently, I'm just waiting for this decline to finish, then enter in a long position. We are seeing an important top on around July 12, July 20, then another higher top around August 23, August 29. Currently, again, I'm just searching for a good entry point for a long position in this asset. Let's continue with the next asset. And the last one, USD JPY. The Verdine signal has presented an important spike on June 12, then a decline period. We are seeing the lowest point on June 29. Basically, it's presenting right now a bottoming structure, then a positive movement. We are seeing the highest spike on September 5. So again, we have to pay attention to this market. It's looking like it can go positive for a longer period of time. Currently, I'm NTR, no trade recorded, but I'm searching for a long position to enter, a good entering point. Okay, let's present one more time the trades record. 4 open trades in Forex. Currently, we don't have any open trades in the future file. Recently, we have closed the soybeans trade. Okay, it's looking like we have reached the last part of the meeting. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Sorry for the error we have created. Basically, we have closed the meeting by mistake first time. Again, hope that will not happen again. See you Monday, and hope everyone will have a great weekend. Take care, guys. Cheers. John?